Hey, this is Stuart Smith from Stuartizm Designs, and I paint monsters at haunted attractions all over the world. Come on and join me. Good morning, my people. This is Stuart Smith from Stuartizm Designs. It's Zachary. Sup, bro? Sup? Yeah, we're throwing down here at World of Chaos. Yeah, getting things done. We're moving our table out so they can sweep and start painting the floors, getting ready for hot floor action. We're in the second maze area, small 3 or 4 rooms and a carousel. That's gonna be very cool. Might not get to that today, might, we'll see. So I really appreciate you guys coming on board. Please like, subscribe, share. If you have any questions, give me a shout out, and hey, we'll see you on the next video. You take care. So we're working on getting these areas done. I got to paint that black and then conquer. But one problem we have is that there's about 3 or 4 of them. So even though the black light is on, as you well can see, that's what I'll be fighting all day long. So I won't really be able to see a finished product until about 8, maybe even 9 o'clock tonight. Land of the sun, people. So that's what we're fighting against, but we'll get her done. Let's conquer.